What's up guys? Hazet here back with another video. And in today's video I am going to teach you guys how to optimize your Android gaming performance without installing any third-party apps. I mean optimized by more frame rates and lag-free smooth gameplay. So let's get in today's video. Okay, this phone I am using right now is pretty old and slow. So that's why genuinely I can't able to play very high-end games. But with this trick I can able to play almost all those games very smooth. So for using this step what you gonna do? Just go to the settings. Scroll down, then go to about phone. From here you have to turn on the developer option. To do that click on the build number for 7 times. And now come back and you will find an option called developer option in the settings. Now go to the developer option. Then search for a option called 4xMSAA. So simply just turn this settings on. And what it will do, it will force your Android to use the multi-sample anti-aliasing in the OpenGL games. So your games will run in the highest quality and as fast as possible. But there has a downside of it that it will cost you a lot more battery power. And also your phone could get overheat if you didn't turn this off for a long time. But it will be completely fine if you just turn it on for few hours. So make sure to turn this settings off after playing your games. And now scroll down again and also turn on this settings called don't keep activities. So what it will do, it will stop all the background apps running. So your phone will use the full power to run your current game. And also don't forget to turn this settings off after playing your games. Otherwise it will block your Facebook and WhatsApp notifications. What could be important for you? Okay, so now let's go and play a game. And as you can see there is a lot improvement in the graphics. And also it's running the game pretty fast. So I will definitely recommend you to try those steps out. So thank you so much for watching the video. If you find this video helpful, please give a like on this video. Share with your friends and also subscribe for more awesome content. So my name is Hazet and see you guys in the next one. Peace.